Hello, Facebook Live. What's up, everybody? Marcus, Happy New Year. Happy New Year's Eve. It is, I don't know, like 1:30 right now, New Year's Eve day. And I've been in here working in the kitchen since like 7 a.m. this morning. We're packing boxes.
Quick question. Chocolate tort and cheesecakes, where can they be located?
Out in the hot box, which is not hot, but it's cold.
The cold box.
The cold box. It's the hot box, it's just not turned on. The proofer, the off proofer. All right. All right. Hello, everybody. A ton of people joining. Awesome. Jamie and I have been in here busy. I got a few staff members here working away. We're doing grocery orders today. We're doing our New Year's Eve box tonight. A lot of you are getting these New Year's Eve boxes from us. It's a party box. So we sold out of the party boxes. We're done and sold out. But as I'm sitting there making the cheese plates and the desserts, I said, you know what? Let me make a few extra. So I've made 4 extra boxes. 4 extra boxes. That means 8 more people can eat tonight our food. So the boxes for 2 people, they're $150 each. You can start calling right now. We've been turning people away on these. We got 4 left. I opened up, I made 4 more. Just the way you cut the cheese and the cakes and everything, the tort, I just had extra. So I said, why don't I just make 4 extra? So that's the deal right now. So we didn't know we were going to do that. If anybody wants one, call right now, 647-3000. We'll get you hooked up. So here's what's in the box. What's in the box is a bottle of white or red wine, our House Tempranillo from Spain or a House Chardonnay from France. You get 2 cocktails, choice of 2 cocktails. We have Jamie's making 2 different cocktails. Then you get lobster mac and cheese plate. Choice of two choices out of the following 3 entrees. Grilled ribeye steak, salmon, and polenta. Then you get dessert. You get chocolate tort and you get a cheesecake. And then you get a bottle of Prosecco to toast at midnight, or if you go to bed before midnight, or whenever you want to toast. I don't care when you toast, but there's a toasting bottle in there of Prosecco. Then we've included breakfast in the box. 2 H&H bagels, organic cream cheese from Organic Valley. So organic cream cheese, the bagels, and wild coho smoked salmon. And then you get another bottle of bubbles and a quart of organic orange juice from Natalie's Fresh Pressed Organic Orange Juice. And that is $150. If you add that all up, it's like $190. It's a really good value. So we have 4 of those left. I made 4 extras, 647-3000. Start calling. That's it. 4. Once they're gone, they're gone. That's it. We are not open tonight for indoor dining. We're open for takeout until 7 o'clock only. That's it. So 7 o'clock only. Takeout only. No dine in. And that's the story. That's the deal for today. Hope everybody has an amazing day. Great start to a new year. You can come stop by, pick up groceries, come by and pick up bottles of wine or booze or a new banana bourbon. That's been amazing. That banana bourbon right there is awesome. Banana bourbon, one of our best sellers. Come down, we'll taste you on it. So we got all kinds of cool stuff here. Even if you're not eating with us tonight or our box, you can still get other things. So 647-3000, jump on that, and that's it. I gotta get back in the kitchen. It's time to start grilling off steaks. Our first pickups at 2 o'clock are coming in at 2 o'clock. So I got to get in there and finish up some ribeyes and some salmons. And that's it. Everybody have an amazing day, and we'll talk to you later.